If You Were a Fraction by Trisha Shaskan. If you were a fraction, you would always be part of something. You could be one wedge of an apple, two pieces of a pie, three wedges of a pear, or four slices of a pizza. If you were a fraction, you would be one or more equal parts of a whole. The hungry hippo eats a fraction every pizza on the buffet table. He takes one half of the vegetarian pizza, 1/8 of the sausage pizza, and 1/4 of the cheese pizza. If you were a fraction, you could be divided into 3 equal parts. You would be thirds. Jenny juggles 3 red balls. One ball falls. Jenny has dropped 1/3 of the balls. Joey juggles 3 green balls. 2 balls fall. Joey has dropped 2/3 of the ball. If you were a fraction, you could be divided into 2 equal parts. You would be halves. The zany zebra's flag is 1/2 white and 1/2 black. The loopy leopard's flag is 1/2 yellow and 1/2 black. The proud peacock's flag is 1/2 green and 1/2 purple. If you were a fraction, you could be divided into 4 equal parts. You would be fourths. One window has 4 equal parts, or panes. If one pane is broken, 1/4 of the window is broken. If 3 panes are broken, 3/4 of the window is broken. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. If you were a fraction, you could be divided into 8 equal parts. You would be eighths. Robin slices a raspberry pie into 8 pieces. Each bird gets 1 piece. Each bird gets 1/8 of the pie. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. 1 whole pie is 8/8. If you were a fraction, you could be divided more than once. You would be 1 unit subdivided into equal parts. Josie and Jackie split the yummy candy bar. They each have 1/2. Then Johnny and Joey show up. Josie and Jackie split each part again. Now the candy bar is into 4 pieces. Josie, Jackie, Johnny, and Joey each have 1/4 of the candy bar. If you were a fraction, you could be part of a set. A set is a group that has something in common. Louis the tiger trainer has a set of 3 flaming hoops. Fanny the tiger jumps through the first flaming hoop, or 1/3 of the set. Fanny jumps through the second flaming hoop. Fanny has now jumped through 2/3 of the set. Fanny jumps through the third flaming hoop. Now Fanny has jumped through 3/3 of the set, or 1 whole set. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3 is the same as 1 whole set. If you were a fraction, you could be compared with other fractions. Buck, Buttercup, and Betsy make 6 cookies. Buttercup gets 1/6 of the 6 cookies. She has 1/6 of the cookies. Buck gets 2 of the 6 cookies. He has 2/6, or 1/3 of the cookies. Betsy gets 3 of the 6 cookies. She has 3/6, or 1/2 of the cookies. 1/6 is the smallest of the 3 fractions. Buttercup has the fewest. 3/6 is the largest of the 3 fractions. Betsy has the most cookies. You can see that 2/6 and 1/3 is the same, or we call equivalent fractions. 3/6, or 1/2 of the cookies, are the same and are still equivalent fractions. You would always be part of a whole if you were a fraction.